Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good. Yes, let us start chapter 2, addition, section 1. Let us revise additional fact. Yes, you have already know the term addition, right? Yes, addition means putting things together. It means that when we get together most of the things means two or more things put together, it's become as addition, or we can say the process of adding two or more numbers is called addition. The symbol of addition is plus sign. Yes. Now, do you know the term used for numbers in addition? The numbers that we add. The numbers that we add that are called addends. The answer we get after adding, it's called sum. Now you can see the example here. 235 plus 341. These two numbers are called addends. When we add, if you will get the answer 576, that is called sum. The answer we get after adding this numbers, it's called sum. Understood now? Yes. Properties of additions. See, first one is order properties of additions. In that, see the first example, that is add 42 plus 42. Yes, if see 42 plus 42, that is 2 in the ones place and 4 in the tens place. Added to the same number, just say 42 plus 42. Now 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 4 is in the tens place, that is 8. If we change the order, that is again 42 plus 42, you will get the same answer. Now see the second example. See here 182 and 3816. You have to add this. 2 in the ones place and 6 in the ones place, 8 in the tens place and 1 in the tens place, and again 1 in the hundred place and 3 in the hundred place. Now let's start the counting from the ones place, that is 2 plus 6. How much 2 plus 6 is? 8. Now 8 plus 1s go for tens place. 8 plus 1, that is 9, and come for hundred place, that is 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Yes. Now if you change the order, just see same number 316 plus 182. What answer you will get? The same answer, that is 498. That means the sum of two number is the same when we change the order of the number. That's if you change the order, the answer will be getting same. Okay, this is the order property. Now, addition facts for number 10. See, if you add 0 plus 10 equal to 10. 1 plus 9 equal to 10 or 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 8 plus 2 equal to 10 or 2 plus 8 equal to 10. Okay, we can see that. See, 8 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 8 equal to 10, and so on. So the number of two numbers does not change even if we change the order in which we write the number. Okay, you will get the same answer. If you write 2 plus 8 or 8 plus 2, you will get the same answer, that is 10. Now come for zero property of additions. Yes, if we add 0 plus 6, you will get the answer 6. See, 24 plus 0, you will get the answer 24. Now, 315 plus 0 equal to 315. If you take 0 plus 315, your answer will be getting 315. Yes, when 0 is added to any number, we get the same number. Okay, this is a zero property of addition. Okay, children? Addition of two digits number. Additions without regrouping. Without regrouping means without carrying. Add these two numbers. That is 32 plus 27. You have to arrange this in the place value chart. That one is 32 plus 27. Just see, you have to arrange this in the place value. That is 3 tens, 2 ones and 2 tens, 7 ones. You have to regroup this. How to regroup this? Just see here. 3 tens and 2 ones. You have to regroup this one. See here. 3 tens, that is 1, 2, 3. This is 3 tenths. Now 2 ones, 1, 2. Next number is 2 tenths, that is 1, 2. Next one is 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. And this you have to join together to make tens and ones place. Join all the tens in ones place and 1 in the ones place. Join together and count. 2 plus 7 is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And 3 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the answer is, see, 2 plus 7 is 9 and 3 plus 2 is 59. You have to join this. This is a addition without. Example 2. Add 42 and 43. First arrange these two numbers under ones place and the tens place. That is place value. Yes, I have already told you this 42 and 43 are added. When you add this number, you will get the sum. Okay, that first you have to start from ones place. That is 2 plus 3. You will get the answer 5. And then comes for tens place, that is 4 plus 4, you will get the answer 8. Okay. Addition with regrouping. Add 47 and 29. First, write the number one below the other and then arrange them in the place value. Yes. Now, you have to write 4 in the tens place, 7 in the ones place and 2 in the tens place and 9 in the ones place. Just see 4 tens and 7 ones. You have to regroup that one. 4 tens and 7 ones. Next, 2 tens and 9 ones. Yes, 9 ones. Arrange this one in the tens place and the ones place together. Take 7 plus 9 is 16. You can't write like that. You have to regroup. See, what 9, 1 tens plus 6 ones. You have to regroup that one. And put 10 ones in the ones. 10 ones in the 1 tens place. Now count 7 plus 9. You will get 16. You can't write like that. Write 6 in the ones place, and 1 will be carried out in the tens place. Okay? Understood now? See, 4 plus 2, how much? 7 tens. You got the answer now. See here, 7 plus 9, 16. 6 you have written there, and carry over ones. Yes, carry over ones in the tens place, and count 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, you will get the answer 7. Understood now? See here. 7 plus 9, 16. 6 carry 1, 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. This is addition with regrouping. Let's see from in the second example. Now let's see second example. Example 2, addition with regrouping. I have given there two numbers, that is 49 and 46. You have to write that one in the place values. That is 9 in the ones place, 4 in the tens place, 6 in the ones place, and 4 in the tens place. Add these digits first add the digits from ones place. That is 9 plus 6 equal to 15 ones. You can't write 15 like that. You have to regroup. How to regroup that? 15 ones as 1 tens and 5 ones. Write 5 in the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. Now add 5 plus 6 equal to 15. You can't write like that. That's why you are writing 5 in the ones place and carry over the 1 in the tens place. Add now 4 plus 4, you will get 8, plus carry over 1, you will get 9. 9 tens. You have to write 9 in the tens place. Understood, children? Now go for example 3. See, I have given 3 digits number. See, I have given 3 numbers. 2 digits number, I have given 3 steps. Just here, 83 plus 97 plus 12. You have to write that in the place value chart. See, 3 in the ones place, 8 in the tens place, 7 in the ones place, and 9 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place, and again 1 in the tens place. Now starts from ones place, that is 3 plus 7 plus 2. How much? How much? 12. Yes? Right. You can't write 12 ones. You have to regroup that one. How 12 ones as 1 10 and 2 ones. You have to write 2 in the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. Understood now? Now add 8 plus 9 plus 1. How much? 10, 18 plus carry over 1. You have to add that one also. Yes, totally how much you will get? See, 8 plus 9 plus 1, that is 18, plus carry over 1, that is 19. You can't write 19 in the tens place. Again, you have to regroup that one. 19 tens equal to 100 and 9 tens. Write 9 in the tens place and carry over 1 in the 100 place. Understood now? 1 after that, no number. You can write directly 1 there. Understood how to write this? Yes. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have